Hey guys, it's Rene here and welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad to have you guys back with me. And if you are new here, not yet a part of the family, go ahead and subscribe. We can go ahead and stop you right there and subscribe before you come on in, okay? This is a place where I do my hair, a little bit of beauty, sometimes throw in some lifestyle extras, and basically just pull myself together. And I love to take my family on the journey with me. And so you gotta be a part of the family to go on these journeys, okay? And for those who are already a part of the family, you already know what we'll be up to, okay? So today I'm gonna take y'all on a journey. Now this journey that we're about to go on was an impromptu journey, okay? I created this hairstyle on the fly. So if you want to see how I did this kind of twisted ponytail, flat twist ponytail little thing I got going on, be sure to stay tuned. Okay guys, so I'm starting off on, I would say freshly washed hair, but basically I had my wash and go in. I wore it for like 3 days so my hair got kind of out of control, and then I just dampened the hair and detangled it and put it into these braids. I had just went through a very lengthy process, the maximum hydration method. If you haven't seen that video, check it out. If you haven't seen my wash and go for the first time in 10 years, definitely check that out. And so now we are here, and so I'm sitting down. I need to do my hair. I have no idea what I'm gonna do, so I'm just gonna kind of like play it by ear. So I'm gonna go ahead and get these braids out. So I think I'm gonna do like, I don't know, a flat twist type thing in the front, going into a bun or something like that. It's gonna be mad simple today, mad simple. So I hope you guys enjoy it. All right, so what I did, I just sectioned off the front, that kind of like a curved part, and then I just did a part like this. I'm gonna take this back section and move that out the way because we're not focused on that right now. You can focus on that later. So since I'm gonna have stuff in my face, I'm gonna work further away from my face and get all that out the way. So then when I get to the front, that's all that I have left. So I'm gonna put a pin in this one. Well, I'm gonna put a clip in this one rather. Alright guys, so I went on ahead and took my comb and parted the hair straight up so that I can create the flat twist. I was going for like just a straight up flat twist look, trying to get the hair out of my face. And so that's just what I'm doing here. Damping things up just a little bit. Like I said, I don't want it sopping wet. So I put one more clip right there just for good measure. Like I said, I don't want no foolishness. I don't want the pieces from somebody's side coming on over here to me. Okay, we don't want that to happen. So a little bit of olive oil. Coat the hair. Get some of that jam. Just put it like at the base, like kind of at the root. That's where you want to go. It doesn't necessarily need to go along the entire hair shaft. I just want everything to lay down. Okay, need to lay down. And here we go. Styling foam. And this just adds an extra amount of sleekness and shininess that I just love. I just love. So I want everything to be sleek going this way, so I'm gonna twist under. So I'll turn my body this way so y'all can see. From right here, I'm just flat twisting my hair straight on up so I can just create the look that I'm kind of going for. Like I said, I'm just making this up on the fly. So what you see here in the sped up view is just me completing that flat twist. Okay, all the way up. Let me get to this end here. Make sure you keep the pieces separated because make sure you keep them separated because you're gonna essentially two-strand twist it. And so after I got that flat twist done, I'm just gonna make my two-strand twist. Now, if you are enjoying this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, all right? Hit that notification bell so you know when I drop a new video, okay? Let's get back into the tutorial. So after I'm done with it, I twist it. And then I'm gonna put a clip in it to hold it. So we have went ahead and did these three, just took them straight up and took them across. What I'm going to do here is just take these two. I'm not ready to work with these two yet, so I'm just going to twist this on down and move it out of my way because I want to get to the back and set that and get that all set up, okay? I'm just kind of making this up, like I said, as I go along. I kind of don't know. I'm just letting my hands move me, and we'll see what, you know, how it turns out. All right, now it's about that time to prepare my hair for this ponytail. So what I did was just go ahead and dampen the hair just so everything can be, you know, lightly damp so I can get it nice and sleek, okay? What I'm gonna do? We're gonna make it a ponytail because I'm feeling this little braid out thing I got here. So we're gonna make it a ponytail. I think that's what we're gonna do. And so I'm gonna take some of this jam and just sleek it up there. I'm gonna take my black bow. So I went ahead and took my bow, did about 3 revolutions so I can make a nice tight ponytail. Not too tight, but tight enough so everything can remain. And now with this ponytail, it's time to prepare my twist. So I dampened my hair with water. I went in with my easy detangler brush just to get the tangles out. Followed up with some styling foam just to make my twist nice, shiny, juicy, and plump. Yep, all those adjectives, okay? Went ahead and finished that twist and went on to the next one. So you guys, I went ahead and got the ponytail all done. The twists are looking nice and luxurious. I love them. I was looking at the 3 on this side and I was like, I just love them. I love them. So I went ahead and threw 3 on this side just for the symmetry. I couldn't help myself. So let's go ahead and finish up this ponytail. All right, so now it's time for me to get these front twists together. So what I wanted to do, what I kind of thought to create was like a crisscross of my twist from the front. So what you see me doing here is taking those 3 twists and laying them down on the back side of my ponytail and just wrapping them around the base of my ponytail. So basically I am crossing the twist and making a cool base of my ponytail. So I take the other 3 twists up front, lay them atop the 3 twists we have already crossed around the ponytail, and then I go ahead and wrap them around. Then I went ahead and got another hair tie and secured all the hair in place. And with this one, I did 2 revolutions. I didn't want everything to be too tight because, like I said, I already have a hair tie in place. So guys, I'm just loving the way this hairstyle is coming together. We're working it out, y'all. We are working it out. We're making this up on the cuff, and it is coming together. All we have left to do now is just to flat twist these one straight on down, and then we'll see what the final style looks like. What I'm going to do is flat twist them going in this direction, so everything will be nice and sleek right up in here. So these 2 will be flat twisted back, okay? Both of them. I'm gonna do both of them like that. So let's flat twist them and see what we got. Yup, y'all see that side view? Okay, that front view with the hit of that side. Check out that back, that crisscross, that base of that ponytail, okay? Y'all see what I'm doing right now? Y'all see what I'm serving? I just want to talk about this little piece, this thing I got going on here and why I did it this way. Y'all know I'm in physical therapy school, and so when I'm treating patients, I try to have like a lot of hair in my face, and especially if I'm getting like really, really close to them. I know they don't want my hair in their face because I'm there to help them, not like give them a whiff of my, you know, cocoa butter, shea butter smelling hair. I mean, even though it smells great, but you know, people may not want that, and then I don't want to be impeding my patient care. That's not what we're here to do. So basically, all I did was took the 2 twists, wrap them up some, and put a clear rubber band on it so you can't even see it. So I mean, I just got all my hair up off my neck and everywhere out of the face so you can see, right? I'm serving you this forehead, I'm serving you this face, okay? That's what we're doing today. So this whole piece right here is optional. You can let it hang down, or you can put it up like I did, okay? Yo, get into it. Get into it. Like, I'm hype, like on the fly, on the cuff, okay? Yes, hair ancestors spoke through my hands, honey, and look what we did. Yes. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed this flat twist, twisted ponytail tutorial, okay? On the fly, did it on the cuff, no plan in sight, okay? Came up with it, created beauty, and if you did like it, thumbs it up. Leave me some comments down below and let me know what you think. If you want to see some other hairstyles, leave it in the comment section below. If you have some combination of hairstyles, you was like, okay, she creative, she just making stuff up, put them together. Let's see what we can create. I'm down. We can, like I said, we can go on these journeys together. Give me things to create and I will put it in my hands and come up with something, okay? And before you go, come on in. You gotta join us. subscribe to my channel, all right? And until next time, see you later. Okay, bye. Hey, before you go, don't forget to like this video, comment below, and subscribe to my channel.